In light of the current situation, Sam Kajojo, the district chairman, has highlighted the pressing need to address the condition of various district roads. He pointed out that the primary challenge was the inadequate financing of the road funds, which fell short in comparison to the extensive roadworks required in the district. Kajojo expressed his gratitude to the President for allocating an additional 1 billion to all districts. This substantial allocation has significantly contributed to the successful repair of numerous roads that were previously in the state of disrepair.
Because we had taken, for example, 5 years without going through this road. The problem has been poor financing. That was one key. The Uganda Road Fund, in our district budget apparently, they had allocated us only 127 million to do the district roads. And I want to thank His Excellency the President of the Republic of Uganda, Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, for the 1 billion consideration that he gave to all districts in this country and the municipal councils to maintain the road network.
The local leadership and stakeholders were assigned the responsibility of closely monitoring the project to ensure that there is no occurrence of fuel and materials theft, as it would hinder the progress of the project.
From here, they come and start giving deals to part of our operators here, especially for fuel, especially for somebody who has a chivanja to go, I want to go landscape for me here. No, this is not acceptable because one, it kills our momentum.
The Deputy RDC of Kanungu emphasizes the significant role of the road in fostering tourism and trade. He urges all residents living alongside the road to refrain from damaging the drainage system, as it is crucial for the road's longevity.
UNRWA can take up this road as a central road because it is highly used by tourism and very many heavy roads like trucks and trailers, and of which they don't have enough money to keep maintaining it. What we normally see and what we always do is that roads are made, but they must be maintained. When the road is being made, remember there are offshoots. Offshoots, those are small valleys they put which are taking water from the main road. So we are telling people, please don't block the offshoots.
The area chancellor appealed to the government to put the road under UNRWA because it connects to the national park, attracting many vehicles, which makes it hard for the district to maintain.
Sincerely, they have been hindering tourists and even agricultural projects that do come from this sub-county. Actually, they serve almost the Kigezi region, and being a tourism road, we are pledging to the government of Uganda that this road, Chihi Matanda Kameme Road, be considered in annex to the Tamaka Road that is going to be done from Katunguru to Shasha up to Chihi.